and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Ysay, and here on my channel I upload travel vlogs every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursday. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated. So yes guys, for today's vlog I'm just gonna do another makeup haul from Winners. So yeah, I've got a basket full of makeup for you guys, so I hope you keep on watching. Okay guys, are you ready? So first off, I'm just gonna show you this Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Caffeine Concealer and Foundation. So it's a 16 ml foundation and concealer from Marc Jacobs. This is the packaging. So this is in the shade medium. Sorry. So let's open it up. So this is the product, and it has a taupe applicator, and I think just a small dot, and it goes a long way. And look at that, nice smooth finish, and have a great coverage. So this has lots of rave on the beauty space, and go to Winners, there's lots of stocks of Marc Jacobs. So yeah, better try this one. It's great. The next one that I found is from Makeup Revolution London. It's called Bake and Blot. So this is how it looks like, guys. So this is in the shade, I'm not sure. So this is the shade. I'm just gonna swatch it for you. This is in my skin tone, I guess. So this is a Bake and Blot, a baking powder. Very nice, slim packaging, great for traveling. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. The next one, another face product. It's like, because I needed a face powder, so I grabbed the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Powder Foundation. This is in the shade Warm Beige. So this is the packaging, this is the shade, and we'll open this up. And I like it because it's matte. So this is the, so this is the product, and let's open this. So this is the pan, and you got a sponge inside, which is not bad, but I'd rather use my brush. So this is the shade. So it's very smooth in the skin, and look at that, great on my, this is my skin tone. So the next one is from Makeup Revolution again. It is a Satin Matte Powder Foundation with hyaluronic acid and cannabis sativa. It says it's conceal and define. So from $5.99. The shade, so the retail price is $12, but yeah, this is the packaging. And look at I like it because it's matte. I'm an oily skin person. So this is the packaging. It's kind of shiny. Let's open it. It has a mirror and a sponge, and this is the shade. And I like the packaging because it has a cover. This has a cover to protect the powder, the product. And look at that. Let's swatch it. Oh, it's nice and smoothing. So yeah, let's swatch it. You cannot probably see, but the formulation is soft and very good. I like it because it's matte, so it's a plus for me. The next face product is from Sephora. It's the foundation, Matte Perfection Foundation in the shade Light Porcelain. So this is the product, and it's 30 ml. So I've got the first one a little bit darker from this shade. This one is a little bit lighter, I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. It's a little bit lighter, but I like it. I might like, see, lighter than my skin, but I can use this to brighten my under eye. And this product goes a little, you can just put a little product and it goes a long way, because very high coverage. It covers a lot, and yeah, it's great. I'll probably use this for under eye brightening. So this is a great product. That's why I grab a little bit lighter shade. So yeah, this is nice one, and I find it in Winners for $5.99 from $12. The next one, I've seen another blush from the Lorac. I've been building my collection of Lorac here, so I grabbed a blush. It says it's a color source buildable blush from Lorac for $4.99. So this is the packaging, and this is the shade. I like the color. It's purple. It's kind of weird, but they say it's buildable, so probably, look at the shade. It's just a sheer one. So bright in the pan, but for sure, when you apply this, it's so sheer that it's buildable. Yeah, but very smooth and nice formulation. So I can't wait to try this one too as well. It's kind of weird because it's purple color in the pan, but it is good. It says it's a matte blush and the shade ultraviolet. So the next stuff, I've been looking for a very good sponge, and my go-to sponge is the Real Techniques sponges. Now I'm also using the elf sponge. So this is the Real Techniques sponge. It's $6.99 from $10. So I like it because it has a container and it's inside a ball. So yeah, I've been looking for this ever since. So when I saw it, I immediately grabbed this one. And then I grabbed another mascara from the Rude Cosmetics because it's cheap. It's for $4.99. This is the packaging. It's pink, and I like the applicator. So I hope this one is a waterproof one. So it says look at them curve. So this is the packaging, and oh, nice one. This is the applicator. It's a curve applicator. So I might try this one. Can't wait. And then I find this one also intriguing. This is from Innisfree. It says it's a velvet cover concealer. So this is the packaging. I love products from Innisfree, especially their face cleanser. Yes. So this is the packaging, guys, and this is the product. This is a 10 ml product, and this is a concealer. So I can't wait to try this one. How the coverage, I might try this on my hand. Just a little dot, and we'll see, and spread it. Oh yeah, it's nice and soft, and see, it gives you a very full coverage. So it's very great for under eye makeup or on your eyelids. Yeah, so it's a nice product. Probably this is small, you think, but you can just only need the small product to use this one, and it gives you a great coverage. The next one is also another one from Innisfree. It says it's a mascara remover. So this is the packaging. It's blue. So I get intrigued about this. So they say it's a waterproof mascara remover that melts quickly to remove powerful mascara from each eyelash strand. Yeah, because there's especially those waterproof mascaras, so hard to remove even with a makeup remover. So I might probably try this one. This is the packaging. So it says it's a mascara remover. Probably you'll just have to, oh, look at the wand. Look at that. So tiny. So wow. Lot of product too, I guess. It's 9 grams. So we'll try this one to remove our mascara. I hope this will be helpful. Yeah, this is a nice product too. And another one from Marc Jacobs. It says it's a fine liner gel crayon. This is the packaging. And we'll open this up. And this is the liner. And oh, it's a mechanical one. I was thinking that this applicator is a felt applicator, but it's not. So it's mechanical. Just have to turn around to get the product. So look at that. It's black. So yeah, great for under eye or when you do some liner under your eye. It's great. So yeah, better try this one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my haul for today, and I hope you also love watching my videos. And if you do, I would love to leave a comment down below if you have ever tried this product, and if you do, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you guys, and I hope to see you soon on my next whole makeup haul videos. And yeah, see you soon, and take care and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. See you guys. Bye.